Yes, guys, yeah, I'm going to visit the best house for horse for the first time. So I saw some watchman here. Vipi sasa? Kwaje? Eh,
So are you coming to look for our stables, our new stables?
Yeah, what did you call this?
Stables.
Stable?
Yeah.
Yes, I come to see. You know, it's
Our,
not.
our new stable. Yeah.
Let's go.
So soon and very soon we will be here.
Hiklo. Hey, look
See how it look like?
good.
Yeah.
You look nice.
So this is for hay.
For
Hay. And this is for water.
what?
Bucket water. We put that inside here. Then we put here hay.
So let me ask you, one room, how many horse? You will stay here?
Per room.
Yeah, per room, like
One
this.
horse per room.
Yes.
Now we are doing IT. So that's the product.
Yes, this is.
You see how we are making our stable now?
Yes.
This is how where the horse coming to stay. And this is our, so we always putting sawdust in the
Yes.
stable.
It is not done. So that is very, very, what did you call this?
This one.
Meaningful.
This is, we call it sawdust.
Yes, I know it is. Look beautiful, guy. You know, it's my first time to come here. Imagine.
Aye.
I'm telling you
Yeah,
the truth.
This is your first time coming.
First time.
So this is my house now. This is my house.
Your house for sleeping.
Yeah. When the horses come happy, they'll be sleeping.
And why he didn't close until the roof, so he built the wall?
No,
Because you know sometimes the horse is smelling
no,
when he squeezes.
we are going to make it because you see we have plywood here for us,
You will cover it.
and always we are going to cover. We are coming to cover this one.
You will cover this one like
Yeah.
wall.
Yeah, we want to cover this to remain.
Okay, that's why I'm asking you, because you cannot sleep without building the wall.
No, we are putting the mirrors. Here. Yes.
You are not scared. You
No.
sleep here only.
Why no? Why? And I have been. I have
You know here there is no neighbor.
no neighbor,
neighbor.
no nobody. But I think we will be two sizes here. So I think we will be having two beds.
Hey, look beautiful. Hey, look
So-
down.
So when the horse
He put what?
maybe
I have the names for this.
cabros.
Car blocks, yes.
Cabros, yeah. This is the cabros.
So it's look beautiful. And you
Look very smart.
imagine
Yeah. And this is our store now.
for
This is our tack room.
okay,
To put our tack. Medicine.
some medicine for horse.
Yeah. Sandals. Bridles.
Yes,
We
I
have a
saw
lot
it.
to put
Some
here.
cement.
No, nothing else. Only tack room.
Oh, okay.
So to put on maybe sandals, bridles, maybe medicine, for first aid, for horses and everything, yeah. You know, because always we have been always horses. We have to have a first aid.
Look. How did you call this?
Which one?
This one. Black one. This.
This one?
Yes.
No, this is for hay to put
To
we
put
have
some food.
grass,
Oh, okay.
grass inside here. Hay, a bale hay. So we are putting that inside here instead of putting there down because you don't know how. So we are trying to put the inside here when and the water here. Then we back a bucket. Then I show you.
He look nice.
Like a paradise.
Let me ask you.
Yeah, asking.
This is for iron sheets. He look like glass or you said
Sorry?
iron sheets.
Yeah.
And that's
Transparent.
yes. He look like glass, but it's not glass. And this is a generator.
Yeah.
So what did you call this
So
inside?
when we bring in the hoses inside here, so the bucket you will be putting this here. To go up down here.
But he make the small.
No, this is a big
size.
bucket. This is big one. But we will try to make another. I think we will be having a bucket that can go inside the roof.
Hey, good.
So when it hits here, it brings water here. Yeah.
Thank you for showing me. I really appreciate. Thank you for hosting me. You know, it's very hard to come here if you stay far. But me, you know, I'm like this around.
Yeah,
So
you have been looking when you are very far.
What
But
do-
for now you are here.
yes. So
So you look.
what do you want to type using this?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
No, I was. This is a dust. I want to throw it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're back or you stay here?
Yeah, I'm going back to the stable. So I was coming to open for the doors for the food.
Oh, some workers.
Yeah, water.
And this?
This one? No, this is.
Oh,
This is for. They are doing this, like this one. You see?
oh,
Yeah, this is for when we wash the stable. The water comes direct here.
so you're not going to put the tile?
The tiles inside.
Yes, yeah.
No, tiles is only maybe. that
I
my
saw
house.
many rooms. He made like screeding, so it means he want to put like
Yeah.
tiles.
No.
So that's why I'm asking you.
No, you know we cannot put a tile because of the mini. You see how we use this one. So you see there is no need of dust because
And when he pin,
we will take it and do it.
let me ask you.
Yeah.
Yes, I agree with you. You put.
Yeah.
So when he pin, will he change sawdust?
No, we are going to remove the those poo. You throw it. The floor remain dry. So we don't want to make the wall wet. We want to make it dry. So when the hose go out, we will try to make it be dry.
And why he paint like white color? Because it's the house for animals.
Because we love this color.
Anyway, everyone have a choice. But
You
me,
see how this color we have.
but me, I
Look
prefer.
like.
Yes, but it's good. But when the horse is staying here, animals, you know, is not like human being.
But we will be washing.
How did you
all
go
the
to?
wall. We will be washing all the wall. When the we will remove the donut, then we wash the wall, and we start carry on
Yes.
all of these tables. We will be putting so that
So when the horse is starting to sleep here.
To sleep here.
Yes.
When this worker finished
To put sawdust.
no, the step is not all finished. You see here, we want to put that
Oh.
to cover here, like there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, still here.
Yeah.
This is only places he remaining, isn't it?
Sorry?
This is only place he remaining. Then he finish.
Yeah, but I'm there. That house for 5 years.
Oh, I saw it.
Yeah.
They look beautiful. Imagine these rooms. If a room is very expensive here, this single rooms is cost like 2,000, isn't it?
2000.
So he have like how many rooms? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2,
14 rooms.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
14 rooms.
Times 2, 14 rooms.
Yeah.
If we, for example, you rent on 2,000, 2,000, 2,000,
So
2,000 times 14,
28,000.
28,000 per month.
Yeah.
Hey, it look beautiful. See this door.
Wow.
Yes, so let's go. Hey, it look beautiful. And what can we see? This is Bohol.
No, this is what do you call it? When the water,
Oh,
we have the pipe here. You see this one?
Yes, I saw it.
So when we wash when we wash the wash, the water come in.
Then
We
you
have-
drop like sewage.
So we have a pipe down.
Oh,
It goes there.
I understand. So he look like what? He look like
Oh,
so. This is the sewage, guys. If you can see here.
Oh.
So guys, it's here some workers here. I saw you have the prunes, the traditional prunes. Where are you going?
I'm going to sleep.
That place.
yeah, like marking out.
You know, today is the last day because the horses are coming today to sleep here at night. Yeah,
This night.
yeah, today.
Wow.
He told us to come on the sweep to do the clean
To do the cleaning
and
inside
to pour inside the sawdust.
Yeah.
Every room
every room.
because they are coming today to sleep here. He told us
You see,
yesterday.
I think that is the. Did you see the room one, the one room that you put the soda in?
Yeah,
Yeah, I think it all will be like that.
yeah. Today is the last day.
Okay.
Because he
Yeah.
told us yesterday today is coming to sleep here. That horses today they will sleep here.
They will be sleeping here.
Because so that I mean today is the last day to do the some cleanness.
Oh, you want to do cleanness,
Yeah.
maybe removing the.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay,
And
my
today-
famous Nyabohansa, let us show love to show Prince Kanchagwa some love, share, like and leave a comment to Prince Kanchagwa so that they can feel confidence and they put some more content every day. Nice.
Okay, let's go. So you are going now to
I'm going
to sweep. Okay.
to make so very clean to remain for because for the short minutes we are going to put some soda. Yeah, because today they are coming to sleep here. We told us yesterday this is the last day to do some small cleaners that will remain.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which room do you want to start?
All of them. We want to clean all of them.
For water or sweeping only?
Sweeping.
Open this and help me to sweep. So and come help me for take it. Vamos, let me help you.
Okay.
It's so easy.
Never wait for you.
How did you see this house?
It looks amazing. Amazing.
Easy.
Yeah?
Inatembea tena.
Hey, it's very amazing because you can even sleep inside here. Yeah, you see even the colors that were painted yesterday. White. Looks
Even
amazing.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Then which rooms?
They paint the first coat, the second coat. That's how the rooms are looking so
Show
very.
them how I'm still.
You can see now how it looks amazing because for now they are remaining for the only sawdust. Yeah. We're going now to put the sawdust because the horses are coming today to sleep inside here. You see?
All of these rooms.
Yeah, these rooms. Okay. These are the sawdust that we are going to do poured down for the horses.
Because I cannot see this soda. So I have to.
We have to clean first.
I finished these ones.
You have done that?
Yes. So this is number 3 rooms.
Third room.
You must know that.
Yeah, we have to clean all.
You will finish with me until 3.
Yeah.
Then it continues from that. Easy.
This is how we are going to put every single room. We are going to put this way the sawdust down for the horses ready. Like this room is ready now for the horse to sleep. Yeah, as you can see. These are now ready. That's why I mean that every room are going to be put down the sawdust.
That's good.
Rama. Yeah, this is the sawdust for the every bag. Now this
I almost finished this.
This is the steering board that they are going to put for this room, because this is for the security room. Yeah.
Kama nitapata kweli iko. So guys, we have to cut these pumpkin ribs. This is the pumpkin ribs I just cut, but
Gani? Ah. Ewa.
guys, if you can see here, this is a sukuma wiki and pumpkin leaves. See? So you tell me on my comment section, which one do you like? It's sukuma or it's pumpkin leaves? Yes, also let's go. I use this shortcut. Mwenye mod. Wewe ni nani?
Wambura.
Wambura. Kuna mwingine Jasi na Mtongoye.
Jasi ndio anaitwa.
Oh.